This candy cane cake is a light and minty dessert that's not only perfect for the holidays, but for every celebration as well. Learn how to make it with this video, brought to you by recipes.net. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and grease a baking pan with cooking spray. In a large mixing bowl, prepare the white cake mix batter as directed on the package instructions. Pour 1/3 cup of the batter into the greased baking pan, then bake it in the oven for 5 to 7 minutes. Pour another 1/3 cup of the batter into a small bowl, then stir in the red food color and peppermint extract. Carefully pour the pink batter over the baked white batter, then bake for roughly 3 minutes or until stable. Pour the remaining white batter over the baked pink batter, then bake for 30 to 35 minutes. Make the white icing by adding the powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla extract in a small bowl. Toss to combine. Then, remove the cake from the pan, let it cool for 10 minutes, and transfer into a heatproof serving plate. Let it cool completely for about 15 minutes, then spread the icing over the cold cake. Sprinkle it with crushed candy canes before serving. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.